So what is up, everybody? My name is Tony Lesnenko, your fellow member of this YouTube channel that you have decided to watch today. As you can see, I'm very hyper. And sorry, I'm eating my favorite veggie straws. Today, as you saw from the title, I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet, but it has to do something with cough drops. So, I'm gonna show you what it is off the top right now. So, as you can see on the screen, sorry, there's a lens flare. As you can see on the screen, this is better, there we go. So as you can see, it's Luden's great tasting wild cherry throat drops. And as you can see, it's from Supreme. So the background story of how I got these bad boys. So I met up with my local local friend, and he happened to be getting these off the Supreme store. So I mean, like, I was copping some. I got some from him, and here we are making a video. So what I'll be doing is how to eat cough drops, how to eat Supreme cough drops right, how to eat correctly cough drops. So I will be opening these and taste testing them, describing how they are, texture, feeling, sight, hearing, all the five senses you have. So let's start peeling this back. Yeah, you can't even see that. So yeah, there's plastic on this first. Let's peel that off. Nice. So as you can see, I don't know how many are in these. I have no background knowledge of these. First time testing them, but I know they're going to be cherry flavored, so that is going to be muy bien. That is Spanish for very good, very well, I think. So we'll peel this back. Boom, there we go. And right here, we don't have no plastic, no nothing. They're just packed right in this small box, as you can see right here. Perfect. So yeah, these are kind of weird. You just grab them out of the box like this, and you of course eat them. It says on, you can't see it at all on this camera, but it says it's encrypted into the cough drop Luden's, which is, I'm pretty sure, the company. I just did this. Why am I doing it again? Luden's. So I'm going to do, I am going without further ado, I'm going to taste the first cough drop, cherry, Supreme Luden's cherry cough drop. So here we go, 1, 2, 3. I totally missed that. Here, 1, 2, 3. All right. Very, very cherry. That is for a fact. It's very cherry. It's sweet. I like sweet. Teenagers love sweet, especially my acne. They're easy to handle in your mouth. That's good, if that makes sense. Definitely cherry. I said cherry a lot. They're definitely cherry. I'm about to break my teeth. Oh my god, these are hard. Okay, so yeah, for the first time tasting these Luden's, one, they're very cherry. Texture is nice. The feel is smooth in your mouth. It is hard, but that's what cough drops are for, you know? So I don't know if I should recommend anyone to get these for your throat, because they didn't really have an effect on me, maybe because I'm not sick. But yeah, they didn't
having a really wait a minute. What? Wait. Why is my voice so like Mickey Mouse? Wait, what? Oh my god. What happened? Yo! These are like superpowers in them. What the? Let's try again. Maybe it's gonna get... Bro, why do I sound like Mickey Mouse or like SpongeBob or something? What the? It was pretty cool though, right? Let's try a second one. I don't know, maybe it's gonna go away. You know, I wouldn't really want have a Mickey Mouse voice for the rest of my life. So let's see what this does. And you know, what I was saying.
What? Oh my god. These are superpowers. Oh my god, I'm so awesome. Holy crap. We gotta take one more. Oh my god. How was this gonna get me? What? These are crazy. Oh my god. Each one gives you a different voice. Holy crap. Alright, let's see what this one does.
That's what I was saying. Oh my god. Dude. Now I know why these are Ludens. No, I actually don't know. But these give you a different voice every single time. That's, holy crap, that's awesome. Let's try another one. Holy crap. Can you imagine what I could do? Wait. How do I reverse them? Oh my god. How am I gonna go back to normal? I don't wanna be stuck like this. I mean, these voices are pretty cool, but I don't wanna be stuck like this. Oh my god, let's see. I guess let's keep going. See what this does. Wow! Oh my god! That's awesome! I'll take even more! You're awesome! Guys, I feel so hyper. I feel like this is the best life ever. And I'm going. Whoa, my man.